Hi everyone! I have a fun little project I'd like to share with you. What can you do with a piece of drain and end cap clean out, the matching part that the end cap clean out screws into, and of course an end cap? Well, you can make a holder for your welding rods or your brazing rods. So this is a fun and very simple project. First off, you decide on the size of holder that you need. So there's 1.5 inch ABS plastic, there's 2 inch, there's 3 inch, and there's also larger sizes. In practice, I felt that a 2 inch version would be more than enough for me. So you select the 4 products, and then I want to give you the tip that the drain part is available in short lengths. So I selected this 3-foot length, and initially I was gonna trim it to 2 feet or 60 centimeters, but then I looked at my welding rods and I have a package here that's 3 feet long. So this will be perfect, and then going forward 3 feet long will be the maximum size I choose from. The next part is doing a quick test fit of everything. It's the same as you would do if you're installing a plumbing drain. So really there's 2 parts that need to test fit onto the drain. So on one end is going to be the access point where you'll be able to screw and unscrew to gain access to your rods. And then on the bottom will be the end cap, just like that. So the purpose in doing this is to know that the parts fit and they're the right parts for your project. And you can see here where I've got it laid out and it makes sense, and that's the vision I have for this. The following step is to sand the surfaces. So you want the ABS plastic and the ABS solvent welding to work really well. So sand your surfaces. So I normally will take a marker and go around this so that I know the area that needs to be roughed up. And then of course I do so at the other end as well. So this is going to reveal a circle, and I trim the sandpaper to size, and I literally take it and just move along this side, roughing up the surface, and then I do the same roughing up on the inside of these adapter bits. And then your last bit of this is just putting the solvent on and then pushing it in all the way and giving it 1/3 of a turn, all within about a 15-second period. After this, you need to let it sit and rest for about an hour just to let the solvent cure. Few cautionary words: don't breathe the ABS solvent. You should be doing this in a well-ventilated area. There is harmful chemicals in this. They're not made for us to be breathing in. And then you want to wear clothing that you don't value. So I've got my work pants on right now, and they've got any number of stains from painting. They've even got some ABS solvent on them. There's some other stuff that has dripped on my pants. So you want to be wearing your old clothing, and what you're not worried about getting soiled or not being able to use it to go out clubbing, for example. And then after that, it's just a matter of putting the stuff together and keeping your hands out of the yellow solvent or whatever grade solvent you choose to use. I hope this will work out as well for you as I anticipated doing for my needs. I'm really enjoying organizing my home. Having these containers, one for my aluminum brazing rods and the other for my welding rods, it's going to help keep me organized and be getting my tools set up in a way and a system that I can maintain and make it easier in my day-to-day life of where stuff goes back to once I'm done using it. Thanks so much for this time that you spent with me today. Bye for now.